In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix operation failed error on Amazon Alexa app. If you are trying to use this app but you are getting this error operation failed, service is temporarily unavailable, please try again later. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Most likely your app has encountered a glitch or there's a problem with Amazon Alexa servers. The problem might also be with your phone. For each scenario, let's see how to troubleshoot this. First, you want to ensure that you are not connected to any VPN, as this might be the reason you are getting this error. However, if VPN is not your issue, then go to the app info page and try to troubleshoot it. For that, go to settings, and from settings, look for apps, and under apps, you should see this manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Look for Amazon Alexa and tap on it. Once you are on the app info page, go to force stop app. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Amazon Alexa and open it, now all of operations should be running smooth without any issue. But should this not fix your problem, then go to Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone, and search for your app. Then see if we have any update and update your app to the latest version. Using an outdated version might be the reason you are experiencing this. Try and use Amazon Alexa using a web browser away from the app. Should everything be okay on the web browser, then the problem will definitely be with the app. However, if this does not still work, then most likely Amazon Alexa has experienced an internal error, and this should be fixed within some few minutes. So it is recommended you try again after some few minutes, and now if you open your Amazon Alexa, everything should be up and running. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.